everybody, welcome to my video today. It is Monday, so we are doing a simple card with a fun technique. This is week 19 of this series, which is so fun. Today we're going to do a sketch, so we're going to focus on a sketch. This is the sketch that I got. It is from the Global Design Project. I will put in the website where I found this. I love their it's a challenge website basically, and they do lots of fun things. I love participating in these, but the turnaround time is so fast that I actually never have the ability to actually enter into their contests and stuff, but they're so fun. So this is a sketch, and I'm gonna very loosely follow this. You're gonna see the card doesn't turn out exactly like the sketch, but that's the fun part about using a sketch. It can help you have inspiration, and it can guide you and kind of kickstart your, inspiration if you've lost it a little bit or you don't know where to start. And then I feel like you can kind of get carried away and end up making something that is amazing and maybe not exactly like the sketch, or follow the sketch exactly how it is and you'll have a great project at the end, right? So this is the sketch that we're following. I am using the Monster Bash designer paper. I'm going to use this yellow piece. I'm going to cut out one of these designs, and then I'm also using the spider web. So we're going to use that designer paper. I am using the Spooktacular Bash stamp set. Well, I didn't use the stamp set, but I used the dies, and these dies are amazing. You have to have these dies, you guys. Even if you just get the dies and not the stamp set, you will not regret it. There's all these gorgeous labels. They work for so many different things. So we're going to use that. And then I pulled out a set from the annual catalog because I wanted the one that said trick or treat is what I needed. This is a double set. I have mine all in one skinny container. And then I have the front and the back have the things on it, the sentiments. So, and then I'm using the classic, this is the classic label punch, I believe is what it's called. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you what we're gonna start with. First of all, I have some basic black cardstock, and I have folded this in half. So I cut it at 4 1/4, and then I folded it in half to give me my card base. And then what I want to do is, I don't usually use all black cardstock, right? And so we need to put something inside the card so that when we're writing, it's a little bit easier. So I'm using Smoky Slate because I felt like Whisper White would be too bright for this. Okay, so we have that in here. So that's our card base. And then let me show you the next few things we're going to do. So I have a piece of basic black cardstock, and it is at 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then my designer piece here, I trimmed down, and it's going to go right on the front. I just took another 1/4 inch off so you can see. And I love actually both sides of this. I love this. And I love this. And so we're putting this on here like that. And then we're going to add some foam to the back of it. I'm getting a tone on tone effect with the black cardstock, the black card front on the card base. So I want to pop it up a little bit. And I just love that. Can you guys see the layer in that? Okay, so we have that piece. So next what I wanted to do is take this designer piece, and this is at 1 inch, I believe. 1 1/4 inches. And then I cut it to, so it's 1 1/4 inches. And then I cut it, I think at 3 1/2. And I flagged the end. 4 inches, and then I flagged the end of it. And what I want to do is add this right here, and we'll do that flat. Okay, that's a little bit better. That was really crooked. Okay, so we have that. So next what I did is, this is from that die. Look at how gorgeous this is. And then I took the designer paper and I cut out this piece. I'm gonna layer these two together, okay? And we're gonna put this right here. And then what I did is I took that classic label punch, some pumpkin pie ink, and then I did Trick or Treat, and that is gonna go right here. So let me layer that together and then I'll show you the finished card. Here's my card all finished. I put this on Pop Dots so it has a little bit of dimension there, and then I have my sentiment right there, and you open that up and it has the gray. You could totally use the stamp set and stamp this if you wanted, and this guy right here, and color it. I think green would be great if you used some Granny Apple Green. That would be awesome too. I hope you enjoyed this card, and I will be back tomorrow to share with you. And don't forget, the holiday catalog goes live on Wednesday, and I will have a catalog walkthrough for you on that day. I hope you're having a beautiful Monday, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.